can't be good. Undermining of the foundation. Hey, whatever. Steel is the meal. And we get a wrench. Adjustable. Yeah, locked up. Scrap. Some aluminum in them. Some 2x2 sticks. 4x4. Nah, we'll take the aluminum though. Some more. That looks steel to me. Alright, be right back. Back at the handyman's house. Pick up some more goodies. I got these last time. I'm gonna cuckoo clock the weights. They're steel. Oh, yeah, some more metal. Yeah. I desperately need to empty this truck out. I'll be back. A lot of words. Free. So I can't leave this cushion behind. No. Oh well. Sorry. Alright, let's get it loaded. What we got here? Oh, we got a grill. Alright. Cool. #1 grill. Expanded metal. Heck yeah. Something you can always use on the trailer. Always use expanded metal. Steel. Ooh. 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 Aluminum in them. Next. Oh yeah. Cool. Let's figure out a way to get in here. Alright. We're loaded in. This is my last neighborhood to run through. See what we can't find. See what else we can't fill in here. And the reward goes to, found that today, it's pretty cool. I don't know, I haven't scratched it yet to see if it's copper. Koga left a short video up talking about this weekend and thank his family. Well, thank you for if your family the reason why, but I never have a day off. No. One time I have a day off is when I get so bloody tired from just going 16+ hour days every day, and then one day I just wake up, say nope, ain't happening today, pull the battery out of the phone and go back to sleep. It's about once a month I do that, but not today. Koga, we're out looking. It's hit and miss, but that's alright. Pennies make dollars. That's all you gotta remember. How you doing? Oh, I got music. I turn it off. Got a $6 pallet. I don't. Maybe. Wood? Is it copper? Is it wood? Is it copper? Is it wood? Ooh, yeah. It's copper. Nice, sticky. Not sticky. Nice stick of copper is what I meant to say. Brains. Down here's some sticky. And a puppy dog calling. Ooh! That'll work. Oh, there's another piece in there. Come on now. Alright, I'll get back to you. Oh, more copper, more money. 2 more pieces. Sweet. Sweet. Of course, this is not AC plumbing, so all I gotta do is cut the solder joints. Number 1, number 2. Every scrapyard is different, I know. Go find some more. Hey, it's Miss Canadian Scrappers Lane. Yelled at me. She's like, none of this stuff is yours. It's all covered up with a tarp. Way up in the driveway. I'm like, okay. And it's got the nacho glass in it, no thanks. But the small green one, yeah. Small green one? Yeah, we'll take a small green one. Yeah, no glass. More expanded metal. Oh! This neighborhood's paying me good. I'm paying my gas for the rest of the week. Aluminum. Two of them, sweet. And I don't think these have any metal. Yeah, just the feet. Well, not that one. I think that one is metal free. Only this one has the feet. All I gotta do is knock the feet off. Yeah. It's got a piece of wood. Knock that off, knock that piece of wood off. It's all clean aluminum extrusion or sheet, I'm not sure. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to the Gulf Coast. Let's go turn this load in, see what we get. Because scrapping's not worth it, they say. That's a different load. That's not part of this load, so we'll keep it separate. So yeah, Spectrum Cable Company, they were supposed to be here. They sent me a text message at 7 a.m. this morning saying installer will be here between 8 and 9 o'clock. Well, it's 9:15. Nobody showed up. Nobody sent me another text message. Unbelievable. No internet today. My short video yesterday, if anybody makes a comment, well, you were at the gas station. That's how much gas I have left of the $20. Heading to the scrapyard now. Knocking that clean pile down. Good job. Hey, what'd it pay? For, can't make no money scrapping. Dirty extruded aluminum, 49 pounds, 42 cents a pound for $19.60. Well, minus 40 cents, that covers my fuel price, so the rest is all profit. Clean extruded aluminum, 6063, 13 pounds, 70 cents a pound for $9.10. Light iron, 300 pounds, 6 cents a pound for $18. Number one copper, 3 pounds, 245 for $7.35. Stainless steel, 3 pounds, 25 cents for 75 cents. One bag of aluminum cans, 8 pounds, 35 cents for $2.80. And light iron aluminum, 18 pounds for $2.70 for a total of $60. $20 in gas, made 40 bucks. It's not the big rock star ticket, but the trickle-down effect is what it is, because today after I left the scrapyard, I went and paid my car insurance, cleaning out a unit next door. They gave me a whole bunch of old telecom phones and the wire that comes off the telephones and some other cordage, some more shred. Then I went back up to the appliance store. I dropped off some appliances. They said they were packed. They didn't want them right now. They want them, but they weren't able to buy them. So I was busy all weekend. My trailers were all full. My truck was all full. So I went up there. The guy's working on them. I said, "Oh, you're gonna work on them?" So that'll be another video, but that was another $60. So yeah, there's money in everything if you just know how to apply to it, or you gotta educate yourself. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you can, share me out. Subscribe if you like it. And have a good day, and God bless.